Can you detox your lungs? In recent years, natural remedies and detoxification diets have gained popularity as a quick way to eliminate toxins from your body. While some products are marketed to overnight weight loss, improve digestion or aid in energy levels, others claim reverse years of damage to organs such as your lungs. With a quick internet search, you can find countless products that allegedly cleanse your lungs in a few days or less. A variety of pills, vitamins, teas, oils, salt inhalers, and masks are just a few of the items that are introduced into the market for treatment, such as those for smoking damage. But do these products really work? When it comes to lung health, the best general rule to follow is, do not rely on quick fixes. While detox treatment seems like a great concept, unfortunately, many of the claims made by companies selling dangerous and unproven treatments are exaggerated and may even be harmful, especially products that can be inhaled. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. There are some aerosolized products that contain essential oils that are promoted as being healthy, but taking any type of oil or other lipids can be dangerous. Dr. Norman Edelman, Senior Scientific Advisor to the American Lung Association. Some common ingredients in supplement-based cleanses have been shown to have positive results, such as vitamin D, which plays a key role in enhancing immune system responses and helps reduce airway inflammation. Can you safely cleanse your lungs? Without pills and concoction, there is a way to improve the health of your lungs. The lungs are self-cleansing organs that will once begin to heal themselves because they are no longer exposed to pollutants. The best way to keep your lungs healthy is to avoid harmful toxins such as cigarette smoke and air pollution, as well as regular exercise and eating well. Here are some tips for optimal lung health. Quitting smoking is the most effective thing that you can do to reduce and heal lung damage. Whether you have been smoking for 3 days or 30 years, quitting is the first step to a healthy lung. Adjusting your diet can also help benefit your lung health, especially if you are living with a chronic condition. Combining antioxidant-rich foods and diets with a variety of vitamins and nutrients will keep your mind and body healthy. Regular exercise is part of a healthy lifestyle, even if you have chronic lung disease. The right amount and type of activity has many benefits, including the natural and healthy restoration of your lungs. Be sure to ask your doctor before making changes in your exercise routine. The quality of the air that we breathe is a huge factor in the health of our lungs. To keep your lungs healthy, it is important to be aware of harmful pollutants and avoid them if possible. Indoor air is also important to keep clean. Vacuum often and invest in good quality vacuum cleaners. Use natural cleaning products, fragrance-free products, and avoid aerosol sprays. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.